Hey everyone, Gus3A here, and today we're going to be printing the Polite Denial. I keep calling it Danielle for some reason. It's a hand cannon from Destiny 1. I found it on Thingiverse, thought it would be kind of cool to print. So that's what we are going to show off today. So I have it right here for show and tell. I'll show you the videos of it being printed. I made some modifications just to make it more of a clean fit. So I added a roll pin, I'll show in the video, a roll pin there for the trigger so it would be easier access to pull the trigger out and in. And then I also added a spring underneath where I can have a spring loaded trigger. I'll show that in the video as well. Other than that, the print itself, I would say it came out pretty nicely. I had to rearrange it a little bit to make it more user friendly to come out with more cleaner of a print. But other than that, I would say the print for itself is pretty good. I like it. So, hope you guys enjoy this video and like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have some other ideas for more print videos, please leave them down in the comments. I'm always willing to try out some new ideas and even give me some ideas to draw up and print myself. So, let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya! just wanted to throw a small little edit here at the end of this video. After a while of playing with the cylinder and the latch, I noticed that actually the small part that holds the latch in place for the cylinder to rotate in and out actually broke after a couple plays with. So other than just that little hiccup, I still think the design is pretty good. Maybe they could have done a little bit something different, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. It's still a pretty decent design. I'm pretty sure you can't find nothing as accurate to the gun than this, so I'd say it works out pretty well. Leave your likes and comments down below, and thank you for watching.